In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change divider colors in Notion. First, open Notion and create a new page. In the upper left corner, click the small arrow next to your profile area and choose Page. Once you're on the blank page, type a divider to insert Notion's default divider. You'll notice it appears gray by default, which is fine as a starting point. To customize the divider color, click into an empty text block and paste this snippet exactly as shown, including the $signs, #color, red, /rule, /5000px, 3px. $. Notion treats this as an equation and renders a colored line. If it doesn't show up, double check that both $signs are present at the beginning and end and that there aren't any extra spaces inside the code. Changing the color is simple. Replace the word red with any common color name like blue or green, and the line will update instantly. This is handy for quick changes that match a theme or section on your page. If you want a very specific shade, swap the color name for a hex code. To find one, go to htmlcolorcodes.com and use the color picker to choose the exact hue you like. Copy the 6-character hex value, head back to Notion, and replace red with that code, including the hash symbol. You'll see your divider render in that precise color, so you can match brand colors or a carefully curated palette. You can also control the length and thickness of the divider. In the snippet, rule 5000 px, 3px. The first number controls the length in pixels. Change 5000 px to 500 px for a shorter line, or even 50 px for a very small accent. The second number sets the thickness. Change 3px to 20 px for a bold, heavy divider, or 1px for a delicate hairline look. Adjust these values until the divider feels balanced with your content. A quick tip, because this is a rendered equation rather than a native Notion divider, keep it on its own line and avoid placing text immediately next to it. If you need multiple color dividers, just duplicate the block and tweak the color length and thickness as needed. And that's it. That's how you change divider colors in Notion using a simple snippet. I've pasted the code in the description so you can copy and paste it straight into your page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.